Now the next topic in the same chapter, admission of a new partner. When the new partner is admitted, how we will do the treatment, accounting treatment of past accumulated profits and reserves. So the topic is, subtopic is accounting treatment of reserves and past accumulated profit at the time of admission of a new partner. Suppose at the time of admission of a new partner, in the balance sheet, suppose this balance sheet is prepared as at 31st March 2020. In this balance sheet, the liability side on the date of admission, this is the balance sheet on the date of admission. In the liability side, reserve fund is given. Suppose it is 60,000, and profit and loss account 40,000 is given. They are the two partner A and B. Profit sharing ratio is, suppose 1:1. They are the old partner. New partner is admitted, C is admitted for 1/4 share of profit on 31st March 2020 or 1st April 2020. Okay. So on the date of admission, we have to see the balance sheet. On the date of admission, we have to see the balance sheet, previous balance sheet. In the previous balance sheet, the reserve and PL is given, profit and loss is given. Then what we do, this amount will be transferred to old partners capital account in their old ratio, because this reserve fund and profit and loss is created out of the previous profit, and to that previous profit only old partner have the right. New partner don't have any right on this amount, because this amount, this 60 and 40 is created out of the previous year profits, and on to the previous year profit only the old partner have a right to the previous profit, not the new partner. So this amount, what we do at the time of admission of a partner, reserve and PL account have a credit balance. So what we do, we debit the reserve account, we'll debit the reserve account, reserve fund account will be debited, profit and loss account will be debited to old partners capital account. Old partners are A and B are the old partner, so this amount will be transferred to old partners capital account in their old ratio, and old ratio is 1:1, in the ratio of 1:1. So this is 60, this is 40. So total 1 lakh will be distributed between these two partners in the ratio of 1:1, means 50,000 and 50,000. This will be the entry. When the new partner is admitted and on that day the balance sheet, is there any past accumulated profit and reserve is there, then what we do, this past accumulated profit or reserve will be transferred to old partner in their old ratio. So this two accounts have a credit balance, so first of all we will cancel it. For cancellation, these two accounts will be debited and the amount will be transferred to old partner's capital account, so that the old partner's capital will increase with that amount. At the time of admission, the old partner's capital will increase. So is it clear? This is the entry related to past accumulated profit and reserve. Vice versa, suppose in the asset side any fictitious assets is given, like advertisement suspense, or profit and loss. If it is given in the asset side, profit and loss is given in the asset side, then it's a loss. Then it is what? It's a loss. If the profit and loss is given in the liability side, then it's a profit. Suppose this is 20,000 and this is 10,000. This is 10,000. Profit and loss in the asset side indicate what? It indicates loss. And this is advertisement suspense. This is fictitious assets and this is loss. So at the time of admission, if in the balance sheet the advertisement suspense and PL, any fictitious assets has given or loss is given in the balance sheet, then that loss or fictitious assets will be transferred to old partner's capital account, because this loss will be only accepted by the old partner. New partner is not going to accept that loss. So what we will do at the time of accounting treatment, these two have a debit balance. So what we'll do, first of all we'll cancel it. So advertisement suspense account will be credited, profit and loss will be credited, and 20 and 10, this amount will be credited and will be transferred to old partner A's capital account and B's capital account. In which ratio? In old ratio, and old ratio is 1:1. So this 30,000 will be divided in the ratio of 1:1, so 15 and 15. So in case of loss or in case of deferred revenue expenditure, if any, that will be transferred to old partner's capital account or current account. If the capital is fixed, then current account. If the capital is fluctuating, then capital account. This amount will be transferred to old partner's capital or current account in their old ratio, because only the old partner will absorb that loss, because it is this loss is created or created by the old partner. The new partner have no right, or new partner is not going to accept that loss. Because that loss is created by them. That loss is because of the old partner, not because of the new partner. Okay, this is all about that accounting treatment of reserve and past accumulated profit.